Guys, I'm back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Ft.Klaiyi hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. This is what their packaging looks like. It comes in this bag. Of course, you get the nice green handles, the green box. But let's go ahead and take this box out of the bag and open it up. Of course, you get your green satin bag that you can store your unit in if you want to get rid of the box, because sometimes the box can take up some room. And then you get your HD wig cap. You also get an edge band, and your unit does come in the bag. I already see that they included some lace tape. Let's go ahead and open this up. This hair feels so soft, but this is their 7x5 no slip Yaki straight wig. It is in the length 24 inches. I believe this is a natural color, but look at the texture on this unit. It looks so good and it feels good also. This is what the lace area looks like. You can see that they went ahead and pre-bleached the knots. They also pre-cut the lace. It also comes with your pre-plucked hairline, which we will get into. Now, I don't see any combs on the side, no comb in the middle. However, you do get a comb in the nape area. You get a drawstring, and you also get your no slip band. I know I love to look at the lace because I want to make sure to see if I need to go in and do anything. It looks like it is going to blend well. It looks a little light, but I don't feel like I'm going to really have to go in and do anything. I think me using my adhesive spray or my mousse should be good enough. But let's go ahead and tighten this band up. I think I told you guys I do like the no slip bands because I do feel like they aren't as bulky and they fit a little bit more snug in my opinion. First off, look how well the lace is blended into my skin. I don't have anything on it. I just put it on. And it is blended very, very well already. So I know that once I melt it down, it's going to look very, very good. Now, the strap is tight on my head. It is a little bit roomy back here. Not too roomy. But I am personally not going to use my drawstring because I know that if I use my drawstring that it is going to bunch up, and I don't want to have to worry about that because it's laying down flat right now. So I personally, because I have a small head, I would just bobby pin the nape area down versus using a drawstring and have it like buckling in the bag, because I personally don't like that at all. So that's what I'm going to do. It's fitted up here very well. I don't have any issues in that area. And right over here, because I have the strap pulled all of the way, I just have to kind of adjust a little bit by my ear area, but the lace itself is looking very good. I love how nice and flat this is laying, blending in well because my edges are right here. I don't have them slicked back or anything. I just threw my wig cap on. But yeah, I think they did a very good job with this lace. That is what the front of the hairline is looking like. Of course, if you want to, you could pluck it out a little bit more if you choose to. If not, I think you'll be fine straight out of the box. Just totally up to you. This is the parting space area. You could pull it a little further back, but I would just leave it right here so you don't have to run into any tracks. Speaking of the tracks, they are laying down very, very flat. And then if you are not a fan of the middle part, you can always move this to the side, okay? You are not stuck with the middle part. You got some options. Now, it's not going to go over too deep because this is a 7x5, but you can move it around. You can absolutely move it around. So I don't think there's really much to say about this one. I think this one's going to be nice and easy. You guys know I'm only 5'2", so the length of this is looking good. Okay, I don't mind a little length when it comes to my Yaki straight units. 24 inches is okay with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig and get to styling it We're gonna see what we can do what we can do. This one shouldn't take me any time at all, y'all. I'm just really excited about the lace and how well it's blended. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to styling, and then of course you guys will see the final looks, and I'll be back to tell you guys my final thoughts when it comes to this Yaki straight wig. Brought my waver out, and I think it looks so good. Now keep in mind, because this is a soft Yaki texture, I highly recommend putting some type of holding spray if you want it to, you know, hold a little bit longer, because I've already seen a few pieces kind of drop. Now when I got to the top part, I tried to section it out a little bit smaller so that it would look a little bit more defined, like right up in this area. But you know, how the back look is none of my business, okay? I just need y'all to know that it does hold a wave, and I just think it's so pretty. If you wanted to just kind of glam it up a little bit, you can definitely do that. As far as the hair goes, I love this hair. It's very nice, it's soft, very easy to work with. My daughter came in here, and when she seen it, she said, oh, that one looks really good. So when the kids say it look good, it looked good. Now to install this today, I just used some of my wig grip spray. I put a little bit of mousse around the front of the hairline. I did not have to trim off any excess lace. I did not have to put any powder in front of the hairline or in the parting space area. I did use just a little bit of powder on my brush, like right on this side, but everything just blended down very well. I didn't have to go in and pluck anything extra out. I think they did a really good job, and the parting space is nice and open. I put my edge band on, I just let it sit for a little bit, and then I straightened out the hair. Straightening out the hair, I didn't have any issues. I recommend putting some type of anti-frizz serum throughout the hair just to kind of make sure it doesn't get any frizziness going on, but I didn't notice a lot of frizziness or flyaways, but just to kind of keep everything looking nice and sleek. And then I decided to crimp the hair. Now I was gonna move it over to a side part, but I said, you know what, let's keep it sleek and let's just wave it up a little bit. And I think it came out looking super, super cute. This one is definitely beginner friendly, okay? Y'all seen what it looked like as soon as I put it on. I really don't have any complaints when it comes to this unit. I do wish that it fit my head a little bit better back here because it is a little bit roomy, but y'all know I have small head problems. So if you have a larger head, this is going to fit you good. Now, as far as the no slip band goes, I don't think it's gonna slide off my head. It's actually very, very snug. That's not something that you have to worry about. You don't even have to put adhesive spray on because when I put it on, y'all seen how the lace just blended down. No issues. My ear is not leaning or anything. So it fits good as far as up in here. It's just right back here where I'm noticing the roominess at. I feel like this is a good density. I also love the length on this. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I got a very, 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 very small amount of shedding. I haven't wore it long enough to even tell you about tangles, but I do expect some snags to go on. So you're going to be wearing sweaters, hoodies, coats, scarves, hats. I just think you can't get away from a little bit of snagging with any unit at all. So I think this is more on the low maintenance side and you aren't going to have to do too much. And if this length is just too long for you, because I know some ladies don't like all that long hair going on when wearing all of the extra layers, then you can definitely check out the website to see if they offer a shorter length. But y'all, let me know what you think about this unit. Are y'all feeling the waves or do you just like the sleek straight look? If you are feeling this one, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.